Ever wondered how billionaires multiply their wealth while barely lifting a finger? It's a tantalizing riddle that has intrigued many. What if I told you that the answer is simpler than you think? A secret method, both brilliant and straightforward, used by the world's wealthiest individuals to grow their fortunes. This method is none other than dropshipping, a concept so simple yet so powerful, it has the potential to significantly boost income. Yes, you heard it right. Dropshipping, a simple yet powerful tool to boost income. Now, what exactly is this dropshipping we're talking about? Well, let's break it down in the simplest terms. Picture yourself running a retail business. But instead of stocking up on inventory, arranging for storage, and worrying about delivery logistics, you do something different. You partner with a manufacturer, another retailer, or perhaps a wholesaler. When a customer places an order, you pass on the details to your partner. They're the ones who handle the inventory, package the product, and ship it directly to your customer's doorstep. This means you're essentially a middleman, connecting the customer with the product, without ever having to hold the product in your hands. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need a delivery truck. All you need is a good supplier and a platform to sell your products. So, in essence, dropshipping allows you to sell products without ever having to stock or deliver them yourself. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the key points of dropshipping. First off, dropshipping boasts low overhead costs. Unlike traditional retail models, you don't need a brick-and-mortar store or a warehouse full of stock. Essentially, you're acting as the middleman between the supplier and the customer. This dramatically cuts down on the costs involved in starting and maintaining a business. Secondly, dropshipping offers a wide selection of products. Since you're not investing in inventory up front, you're free to offer a vast array of items on your online store. From home decor to fashion accessories, the world is your oyster. This versatility allows you to adapt to market trends and customer demands more efficiently. Thirdly, dropshipping allows you to operate from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're sipping a latte in London or sunbathing in Bali, your business can run smoothly. As long as you can communicate with suppliers and customers, you're in business. Finally, dropshipping gives you the flexibility to scale your business at your own pace. As your business grows, you can add more products, explore new markets, and build strong relationships with suppliers, all without the need for significant capital investment. And that's dropshipping in a nutshell, a simple yet effective way to expand your business, and who knows, maybe even make you a billionaire.